Hi everybody. Oh. So if you can see me uh, trying to clean some prawns with you. So I will show you some prawns cleaning. First I'll take this sardine and I'm using this scraper. So this way to remove the scales. You can use your knife also, but I saw somewhere that this is like easy way to clean. Hope you are all doing well. I don't know whether you can see me. So this way I removed my sardine scales, and prawns is either you can just remove this and this way take out the shells, and then you can take a knife to remove the vein behind and take out the vein which is there in between. That's it. So my sardine is also this. I will wash this later. So now this sardine, I will show you a proper cleaning. So after this is nicely removed, some wants the head part, so you can keep this, cut like this, and you can take this out in your hands and chop this side to remove the excess out of it, and then wash it nicely, apply masala and fry. Now some doesn't want the head part, so for them it is very easy. Cut this, cut the sides, take out the inner part, and done. So now another prawns I will show you. So now if you want to keep this head, then use the scissor and take away all this part. And you can chop this also. And chop the scale also. And now some likes the outer part of the prawns, so for them you can just cut this like this, give a between, and remove the vein whatever is there, and fry, and put masala in this and fry. So another way of prawns is cut this way, cut this way, usually I get from Delfino my fish where they clean and they give, but due to lockdown they have taking less of cleaning. So this way, cut the tail. And now, like my daughter, she doesn't want this part, so I will remove this to fry. And cut in between. And this way. This way. Okay, and my easiest way is again remove this way. And cut, remove all this quick way. And yeah, so this is the easiest way of cleaning of prawns I've showed you. So mostly we use these heads for curry. And sometimes when there is no knife or scissor, then I just take this like this. And I'm in hurry and I will search the vein where it is. Here I found it and here it is. So thank you for watching this. How to clean prawns and sardine. And yeah, thank you so much. I don't know which time is best for all of you, my friends who are in UK. So if you can comment in the comment box which time is best, then I can try to do or try to come live on that particular time. If anybody is there live watching me, can you comment or wave or say something? I'm learning all new how to come on live, and because all these years I was busy sitting in office, especially for 16 years sitting in office and just booking trips and tours and day trips, and now it is like, so here we go. So my prawns are also done talking to you. If you all have any other easy way to clean fish or to clean prawns, please share me your ideas also, because we are all here to learn from each other. And okay, thank you so much. And so how is the weather over there? Is it cool weather? Is it raining over there? And please don't leave your hope of coming to India and Goa. There will be some ways open. Government will do something. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Fish. I love fish actually. If you say for me, I love fish and I love my chicken wings. And yeah, these two things I love. I'm not so fond of pork, not so fond of beef also, but yes, fish I can eat. I just love fish. And chicken is only wings and the thigh boneless. So these are my two favorites. If you want to continue to watch me, I will show you my simple masala, what I marinate for my fish. Don't go. I'm doing with my knife too. So I want the head part. I will just remove the tummy part. And that's it. In Goa, it's not raining today. So it's hot basically, and it's humid is there. So hope it rains so that we can enjoy the monsoon, as it is a monsoon time. So I'm keeping this head. Okay, wait here only as I'm coming to show you how I apply masala to this. Just having washed. Here we go. My sardines are clean. I gave them bath, you can say. Sardine and prawns are now I will apply my masala to this. A simple masala, very simple masala. And here we go. So here is the salt. Then some lime juice to this. And my masalas are here. So if you can see my masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. So today it will only this masala, and it will go little bit of ginger garlic paste and mix this nicely. And salt to taste is up to your choice. So this is my marination is done, and this will go for frying. So are you all there still? One thing is that in live you can't come to know whether who is live and who is not there. So now I will fry my fish. I'm not keeping it for marination because it's now time to eat. So here we go. A frying will go you. So oil for frying. just missing you all, my friends. Just missing you all. Because it's now 2 season and we have not seen each other. And here we go. Here. So my sardines. And prawns fry. So see, today I showed you all how to clean the prawns and I have showed you all how to clean the sardines also. Thank you so much for watching this, and now this is frying. So my lunch is ready.